Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rajashri and today I will be talking about a serum which just improved my skin quality to the next level, and it helped with my skin sensitivity and skin redness issues, and I'm loving it since past 1 month. So if you are interested to know what serum I'm going to talk about, please continue watching. Before getting into the review, I want to talk a little bit about Purewear Priyanka brand. It's our Indian homegrown brand, and I'm all here to support Indian homegrown brands, and all products from Purewear Priyanka are sulfate, paraben, mineral oil, synthetic dyes and synthetic fragrance free. So if you're looking for skincare which doesn't feature these ingredients, you have to give Purewear Priyanka a try. So when it comes to the Glow Face Serum from Purewear Priyanka, it helps in restoring and strengthening the epidermis. What is epidermis? The outermost surface of your layer is epidermis, and it's a skin barrier which acts like a protectant to the innermost layers of your skin. So if your epidermis is not healthy, no matter what skincare you use, you're going to face problems again and again and again. So you have to strengthen your skin barrier, and on my channel it's all about skin barrier strengthening, so that's why I really love this serum. I definitely observed a brightening effect on my skin. It definitely helped with my skin sensitivity. I generally have skin sensitivity near my cheeks. That's where I get so red and irritated most of the times, and that's where I break out most of the times. And after I introduced this serum into my skincare routine, I have seen a tremendous change in skin redness and skin sensitivity overall. Obviously, other than this, I'm using other ingredients which work very well for me, but this serum definitely helped me with what my skin is facing at that time. When I first used it, I was instantly impressed by the texture and the quality of the serum. The quality of the serum is very high. You can get these kind of serums at a high-end price point, but this is a very affordable price point for what you're getting here. This retails for 975 rupees, which I feel very reasonable for a serum, because most of the time serums cost a little bit higher, like 2000 to 3000, but for the quality we are getting here, 975 rupees is totally worth it, and the ingredients that are in here are top notch too. And after using this serum for 1 month, I can definitely say that my skin got super hydrated, it's super moisturized, the skin barrier is very healthy, my redness and irritation calmed down, and I can say that my skin is healthy and supple overall. So I feel this is a very good serum if you have hyperpigmentation or if you have skin sensitivity issues. The most important part and my favorite part about this serum is how it actually feels on your skin. This feels like straight up silk. It's the most luxurious serum texture I have ever experienced. It just feels like a oil, but it also feels like a very cushiony texture which I can't describe in words. You have to feel it for yourself. But this is one of the best serum textures I have ever used. This got a very nice texture which absorbs instantly into your skin, but it definitely got a oily feel when you initially apply it. But trust me, after 5 to 10 minutes, the oiliness or the oily feel you have on your skin is not there. It just sinks into your skin and your skin feels normal, as if you have applied some moisturizer, because it absorbs into your skin very well, even if you have very oily to combination skin types, or if you don't like that oily residue on your face, you can definitely try this one. Don't get scared by the initial feel you get from this serum though you have oily skin, because this is going to help with your oil production too, because you're hydrating and moisturizing your skin at the same time. So this is how the texture feels. I hope you can see it. This is a very good texture. It just absorbs into your skin right away, and this is how your skin looks after applying it for 5 minutes. So yeah, so this is how the texture and feel of this serum looks. Now let's talk a little bit about the ingredients. The ingredients list of this serum is very interesting. You generally don't find these ingredients together, but somehow they managed to formulate it very well. The first ingredient in here is water, and the second ingredient in here is herb infusion of fruit extract. And the fruit extract they have used here is Pyrus Malus fruit extract, which is basically apple. So they have used apple fruit extract as their second ingredient. So apple extract is a very skin regenerating ingredient, and it's a tremendous source of polyphenolic antioxidants which prevents free radical damage. So it's a very good source of antioxidants, and having it as a second ingredient in here is a very plus point. The third ingredient in here is clarified butter or ghee. Ghee is a natural moisturizer, so no matter what skin type you have, this will definitely suit you. Ghee is a very good ingredient to moisturize and restore your skin. If you have dry skin, it's going to repair it very well, and ghee makes your skin youthful and young. So that's the third ingredient in here. Other than these two, this serum also got milk, honey, yeast glycol, glycerin, which is a humectant which draws moisture from the atmosphere. This also got kumkumadi oil. We all know how good is kumkumadi oil for our skin, and this got indica flower extracts, and this also got wheat germ oil, and it also got mangista and a bunch of beautiful ingredients. This serum also got licorice extract, hibiscus seed extract, goji berries, elderberries, and this serum also got hyaluronic acid in here. So even if you have dehydrated skin, the glycerin and hyaluronic acid present in here can really help you out. So as you can see, this serum got a very good ingredients list. It got a bunch of antioxidant. It's also got a bunch of anti-aging ingredients. So I feel no matter what skin type you have, no matter what skin concern you have, this serum can help you in one or the other way. And mostly I feel if you have matured skin which is aging, this is a very good addition to your skincare routine because of the ingredients it has, like kumkumadi oil, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, licorice root extract, etc. These are a very good ingredients for matured skin, mostly if you are in your 30s or 40s. So if you have matured skin and you are looking for a serum which can really supple and hydrate your skin and treat your skin in a very well manner, you have to give this one a try. Most of the time I get queries like I'm 30 and I'm 40 years old and I don't have any serum which instantly rejuvenates my skin. So I would definitely recommend this serum for people who are looking for a serum which makes their skin supple and healthy. There is a difference between having perfect skin and having healthy skin, and with this serum I can totally tell you that you can achieve healthy looking skin. I generally like to use it in my night skincare routine every single day because I use a different serum in my morning skincare routine. I generally prefer to use my vitamin C serums in my morning skincare routine, and the vitamin C serum I'm using right now is also from Purebred Priyanka. I will be reviewing it soon. So that's why I try to use this every single night in my night skincare routine, and it's working perfectly for me. But you can either use it in your morning skincare routine, or you can use it in your night skincare routine, or you can use it at both morning and night skincare routine. It's up to you. But if you have oily to combination skin, I will ask you to use it at your night skincare routine because you might feel a little too moisturized when you use this serum and apply a sunscreen over it. So if you have oily to combination skin, you can use it in your night skincare routine, and if you have dry skin, you can either use it in your night skincare routine or you can either use it in your morning skincare routine. You can also use this serum under your foundation for the very glowy and dewy base. I love to use this under my foundations, mainly in winters, because my skin gets extra dry in winters, and when I go with foundation, my foundation tend to cling on to my dry patches. But when I use this one, my foundation is just going like silk and it's looking very flawless throughout the day. So if you want a hydrating product under your foundation, you can totally give this one a try, and it's working very well for me. Though it has an oily consistency, it sets very well on your skin, so even if you go in with foundation, your foundation won't slip and slide. So yeah, you can also use this under your makeup as a primer. So yeah guys, that's my review about the face glow serum from Purebred Priyanka. Hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel, and if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. See you in my next video. Until then,